let's take a look at how we could do this. We're going to add a slide presentation, going to make some modifications, make it into a 11 by 8.5. We'll go ahead and get rid of the basic template, and we're going to add a logo. We'll find a logo on the upload one from our computer, and we're going to add a couple of text boxes here, and we'll do that, and we'll put in inside of the tags first the school, then the partner, and finally the comment. And we'll set that up. We can always do some modification later with some of that. Then we may end up wanting to find something to make it look more like a certificate. You would just build this out, of course, however you want. And we'll make some modifications here, get this thing kind of lined out how we want, move it around and so forth and so on, get it the way we want. After we've sort of lined everything up and get it in the way we want it, our next step would be to create a new form. And our form is simple. It's going to have 3 questions. First 2 are going to be multiple choice. We're going to have the choice of the school. Then we'll duplicate that, make one. The next one is the partner, and then a paragraph of the comment that you want to put on your certificate. Then I have an example here where I had a list of schools and I had a list of partners. I could copy and paste those, and I'm going to fill out the form one time and collect some data. Now that I've collected the data, I'll go ahead and create a spreadsheet. And on that spreadsheet where I've got one row of data, I'm going to run autocrat add-on. And we're going to create a new version here, and we're going to select that slide template that we had just created. And then we're going to go ahead, it looks like everything's in line there. We will name the file that gets pushed out and go ahead and run it the first time. And now that we've saved it all, and it should create a new file. Let's go back to our drive. There it is. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. And there's the data popped onto that mail merge. So the next step would be to go ahead and do this and watch it create it on the fly, and we can see our next version of it is there. And we can open it up right from the spreadsheet, and there is our version of the certificate.